Solve 3 times the quantity x plus 4 squared minus 7 is 47. Here I see the quantity x plus 4, the quantity involving the variable, being squared. I can apply the square root property, but first I need to isolate the x plus 4 squared before applying the property. And so I will use simple basic ideas from solving linear equations to isolate that quantity. The first thing I will do is undo the subtraction. I'll add 7 to both sides of the equation, yielding 3 by x plus 4 squared is 54. Now I'll divide both sides of the equation by 3, yielding x plus 4 squared is 18. Now I can apply the square root property. Since x plus 4 squared is 18, that implies that x plus 4 is plus or minus square root of 18. Now the square root of 18 can be simplified using our properties for radicals. Recall that the square root of 18 is the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. So I can rewrite the equation as x plus 4 is equal to plus or minus 3 times the square root of 2. Now I want to isolate the x variable. So I'll subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. And what we normally do is write the 4 first. So I'll write the solution, or I'll write this as x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 3 times the square root of 2. Now, it's very tempting to want to combine the negative 4 and the 3 somehow. But remember, this 3 is being multiplied by the square root of 2. And so these are not like radicals, and they're not like terms. So therefore, if we want to break this up into two solutions, what we write is, one of the solutions, x, is negative 4 subtract 3 times the square root of 2. And the other solution is x is equal to negative 4 plus 3 times the square root of 2. And again, we cannot combine the negative 4 minus 3. We cannot combine the negative 4 plus 3 because these are not like radical terms.